Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. Homework for today. We're using English grammar book today. Page 13. A group I belong to. Text. Let's read together. Hi, I'm Nico and I'm 8 years old. I'm a Boy Scout. My sisters are Scouts too. They aren't Boy Scouts. They are Girl Scouts. We do different things, but we have lots of fun. This isn't our yard. This is Mr. Ho's yard. He's old. We are young. We help him. This is our camp. We are happy. I am not tired. Let's play a game. Are you a scout? You can join us. You are always welcome in the Scouts. Great! Last homework for this week. Today is Friday. The question is, are you a scout? And 3 words. 1. Lizard. Lizard. 2. Picture. Picture. And 3, say it together. 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 We are together. Right. Have a great weekend, students. Do your homework, listen to your parents. You are the best. See you all. Bye-bye.
I like to play all day. What do you say? All day. I like to play